Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about living room designs ideas that will help you create a stylish and comfortable space. Whether you are starting to scratches or just looking to refresh your correct decor, I have got you covered. Let's get started. Ideas number 1. Create a focal point. A focal everything room is a point which is usually the main features of the room that draws your attention. This could be a fireplace, a piece of artwork, or even a statement piece of artwork, or even a statement piece of furniture, and around it to create a cohesive and balanced space. Choose the right furniture. When it comes to living room furniture, it's important to strike a balance between style and comfort. Look for pieces that may be functional and aesthetically pleasing, such as a comfortable sofa or a chic coffee table. You can also add a since chairs or ottomans to provide additional seating. Add textures and color to make your living room feel cozy and inviting, and textures and color with decorative pillows, throws and rugs. You can also incorporate textures with wall hangings such as innocent or woven tapestries. When selected color, consider using a net base with pops of color, a cohesive and balanced look. Just like in the bedroom, lighting is an important element in living room designs. In addition to overhead lighting, incorporate table lamp and floor lamps to provide task lighting and ambience. You can also add candles or street light. Also add candles for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Add personal touches. Finally, do not forget to add personal touches that reflect your personality and style. This could be anything from family photo to artwork to decorative objects that you have collected over time. These personal touches will make your living room feel like a true reflection of your taste and interest. And there you have it, my tip: living room designs and ideas. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Let me know in this comment in which tips was furnitures, and do not forget to